Hello and welcome to the Robotic Enterprise Framework, also known as REFramework, training. This project template is meant to be used as the starting point for almost any automation project. We're excited to start exploring how it can help you to integrate many of the best practices regarding logging, exception handling, application initialization, and others into the complex business processes that you're developing. We hope you are too. In the first part of this series, we'll explore the mechanisms that make up a working REFramework project that uses an orchestrator queue. The process is a consumer or performer which gets queue items and enters data into the UiDemo application. In the following demos, we'll build projects from scratch using the REFramework template, configured to work both based on Orchestrator Queue Items and other sources of data. While going through the overview videos, we recommend focusing on the key functions of each state, the workflows used in each state, the transitions between the states, the argument flow, the exception handling system, the stop mechanism, and logging. Ready? Let's start by reviewing the process that we'll be using for the overview videos. The application that we're using is UiDemo. You might be quite familiar with it by now. The process that we're building will post financial transactions to UiDemo. The target application requires authentication. To access UiDemo, we use admin and password, all lowercase, for the credentials, and we click the login button. Note that this version of UiDemo can be configured to crash randomly. We'll use this feature later to simulate application exceptions. In this case, the number of consecutive system exceptions is considered. The input transactions can be found in this Excel file. We have 3 columns: cash in, on us check, and not on us check, which contains the values the automation must enter in the corresponding fields. Each row represents one transaction. Let's take the first row as an example. The steps that we need to perform are to enter the values into the fields and click Accept. Same for the second row, and so on. It's important to note that we also have a business restriction. If the total amount entered for one transaction is greater than $10,000, it needs to be approved by a manager first. This restriction will be configured as a business rule in our project. Moreover, we'll set the number of consecutive system errors that can occur before the job is stopped to 3. Our next videos will show us how to configure this parameter. Alright, that's all we need to know about the process for the purpose of this overview. Next, we'll see what it looks like implemented in the REFramework template with orchestrator queues. See you next time.